How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Topps Chrome 2020 trading cards of WWE. And let's look at the wrapper, or the booster pack. As you can see, it has Becky Lynch, Top Chrome 2020 trading cards. You get 12 in a pack. And here we go. Alright. Here's what I got in the first pack. Got R-Truth, a Nia Jack, Jimmy Uso, ooh, a nice Finn Balor, Walk with Elias, whoa, Ric Flair, a guy from NXT that I don't know, a Good Brother, Mr. Carl Anderson, give me a Too Sweet, Italian Nightheart, a nice Samoa Joe, an Angel Garza. This was back when he was in NXT. And then a Dexter Lewis, who I have no idea. And that is just all from the first pack. So the ones that I liked from this one would be the Samoa Joe and the Ric Flair, if I can get it. Yeah, so those three nice ones from this pack, from the first pack. As you can see, they are nice, shiny. But let's see what the other two bring me. Give me 1 second. So I've cleared that out. Curious how the second pack looks. And let's see what we get in the second pack. Ooh, we got a Becky Lynch. That's nice. And then Mustafa Ali. Sheamus. Not too bad. Zelina Vega. Asuka. Ooh. I have no idea what this is. A Jake Roberts and a Bray Wyatt. Okay. Bro. Matt Riddle or Riddle, depending how you want to go. And then you have a Mia Yim. Pete Dunne. Nice. A Ronda Rousey. Meh. Peyton Royce. And Mr. You Can't See Me, John Cena. So these are the three that I like out of those. A John Cena fantasy match. And the Becky Lynch. Give me another second to get the third one. And the last booster pack. Maybe. I have no idea who this is, but it's Bronson. Mr. NXT or Mr. Wrestling, Johnny Gargano, which is awesome. That would be my favorite one out of this pack. Damian Priest. Nice. Oh, this is a nice one. Roman Reigns, and then you get The Rock right after that. So that was a nice one, yeah. Those two go right there. Then you get a Sheamus, winning the title. Then you get another Sheamus, A Mandy Rose. And then a Seth Rollins. And an Adam Cole. Well, I really like this pack. This was a good pack. Then Irish Shira, which she's awesome in NXT. And you got Roderick Strong. So you got two members of the Undisputed Era. Kind of got the Shield right there. And then you got The Rock and not Undertaker, but The Rock and Roman Reigns. So this was a really good pack. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks. Take care. Bye.